All right, hello, my name is Mark. I am with 8 West Property Management. We are here today standing in front of 2215 and 2217 Seaside Street. This is the front house on the property. It is rented by separate tenants. You can see the street view right here. This property does not come with parking on site. However, there's plenty of street parking most of the time. I've never had to park off the street. Let's go on back to the back house. This driveway is an easement to go back to the back house. And we'll go on through the gate. And here we are at 2217. Basic landscaping services provided by the owner. They would go ahead and take care of trimming up some of the plants, the trees. You can see we've got a friendly picnic table here. This property was just renovated. Grapevines growing up the arbor. Comes with a grill and propane tank. And let's go on inside. First off, we've got the living room here. Brand new windows, dual pane windows, along with brand new blinds. New paint throughout. Lots of new features. Flooring's in good shape. Go over here. View the opposite direction. The heater is brand new. Got a wall heater. No air conditioning. You are a few blocks off the beach and the temperature's reasonable year round. Just open up this kitchen door and you'll get a cross breeze through the home. You can see we've got upgraded countertops. Comes with these appliances. Range oven and fridge. It has new LED lighting throughout. You can see it's very light and bright, airy. Outside the kitchen door, got a screen door, and right here behind, out on the porch, you've got a stackable washer dryer unit. That comes with it as well. Go back inside. Let's go on back towards the bedroom here. Here's our bedroom with ceiling fan. You can change the color of the light on the ceiling fan, make it warmer, darker, however you want. Again, new window. Looking back the opposite direction. You can see the bathroom over there. The closet. Closet is cedar lined. Has quite a bit of space for all of your belongings. And it's got mirrored folding doors. So when you're all done, you can just go ahead and close those up. Let's go on over here into the bathroom. Bathroom has upgraded fixtures as well. And we have the shower doors here. New shower valve. Brand new shower head. New window there. Okay. And that's it for inside the home. It's approximately 500 square feet. Let's take a quick tour around the back side of the home. Okay, we've got a shed back here for added storage space. It is yours to use as you'd like. There are a few items for the home in here. Okay. And down the other side here, we just have a little dog run. The property is fully fenced, as you can see. Okay, great for animals, great for gatherings, and you can take care of the yard however you like as well. If you wanted to plant other plants, you can feel free to do so. And that is our tour of 2217 Seaside Street.